Okay guys, so this is the new Hyundai i30 Fastback N. So this is the sportier version of i30 Fastback. It's the same story as with the normal i30N. So you have two engine options. First one is 250 horsepower and the second one is 275 horsepower. This version has this coupe shape, but it still has a decent amount of space. And I think it looks really cool. These sharp lines here, and also the exhausts are crazy. And you may remember my video of the i30N. If you don't, go watch it. I will put the link down somewhere on your screen now. Car has a crazy sound, and I'm sure that this one will also. And it's a cool projection here because you can see it sort of driving around some nice roads in the mountains. But this is cool because now you can see all of the features. So first of all, 19-inch wheels, new LED black lights, front grille and badge here. We have also this red line on the splitter. And interior is pretty much the same as the i30N. Also you have of course the N Sport mode, the crazy mode. I drove the i30N and it was insane, one of the best cars that I've ever driven. And I can't wait to try this one. I hope I will get the chance to drive this car because the amount of fun and the amount of enjoyment you get while driving it, it's really out of this world. So yeah. Now we can see it driving on the track with the WRC car. This is a really cool presentation here by Hyundai at the Paris Motor Show. Okay, so tell me in the comments, what do you like more, the Fastback version or the normal one? Okay guys, so that was the quick look. Hope you liked it. And subscribe to the channel. I hope I will get a chance to drive this car and then I will show you exactly how it sounds. And believe me, it will be awesome. Bye bye.